Now, how to win in the level 4? I'll ask you guys a simple question about what we have learned till now. The person who will answer the question first in the chat box will win the point. There will be 10 questions. Are you guys ready to win this quiz round? Yes? Okay. So the first question is coming up. What does UI stands for? Full form of it. What's the full form of it? Let's see who answers first. Okay, four people have answered. The first person who answered is Alam. Very nice. This point goes to Alam. Of course, it is user interface. Everybody answered correctly. Just Alam answered first, so this point will go to Alam. The next question is, which software tool is commonly used for creating user interfaces? Okay, Chavez has answered first, so this point goes to Chavez. Very nice. So the answer is Figma, of course. The third question, what is the common shape used in UI design? Of course, it's rectangle, right? So the first person, okay, so let me tell you guys, you cannot write R in the chat box. This is not allowed. You cannot write A, B, C, D or 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to write the whole answer, right? So the first person who answered the full we can say the word is Chavez. Again, Chavez got 2 points. It is rectangle, right? The fourth question, in Figma, what tool is used to draw basic shapes like rectangles and circles? Let's see who answered first. Okay, once again it's let's see who is this. Once again it's Chavez. Okay, we have like everybody's answering very well and very quickly, which is quite impressive. We have the shape tool as our answer. What do you call the process of drawing a structure that we made just now? Let's see. What do you call the process of drawing the structure that we made just now? The first person who answered is Alam. Very nice. Question number 6, which is, what do you call the place where you put your text in a design? What do you call the place where you put your text in the design? Okay, so the first person who answered this is Praveen. Very nice. Well and good. Praveen has secured 1 point. Very nice. It is called the text box. Okay. Then we have question number 7, and that is, what is the default font family in Figma when you write a piece of text, right? It is not Arial. Chavez has answered quickly, which is Inter. I have told you like 2 to 3 times that it's not Arial, it's Inter. Inter is the default font family, right? It's Inter, correct? Okay. What is the default width and height of the desktop in Figma? I want everybody to write full answers. First person who answered is Alam. Very nice. Remember your points, okay? I'm not counting the points. You guys have to remember your points, right? It is 1440 width and 1024 as the height. What is the shortcut to choose frames? Let's see who answered first. Chavez has answered first. Very nice. Then now the last question is coming up. I want everybody to pay attention in the last question, which is for 2 points. Let's see who answered the last questions and win this quiz round. What is the shortcut to choose rectangle? This is for 2 points. Everybody. Okay, the first person who answered is Chavez once again. So I think after Chavez it's Praveen, and then it's Roha, and then it's Manju Nath, and then let's see who is there. 4 people have answered. The first person who answered is Chavez. Very nice, well and good. So the winner of this quiz round is Chavez. Very nice and Well played. Everybody is the winner of this quiz round. Just that you guys paid attention and written all the answers correctly. There was just a mistake in the font family. Just understand the default font family is Inter, right? So, guys, we are completely done with our level 4.